Hello everyone. Welcome back to SG Riders. Today we are reviewing India and Pakistan's most trusted motorcycle, the legendary Hero Splendor Plus. This bike is famous for mileage, reliability, and low maintenance. Let's find out why people still love it so much. Fire, design and look. The design of the Splendor Plus is simple and clean. Classic commuter bike style. Chrome and graphics give a neat look. Lightweight body, easy to handle. This bike is not made to show off. It's made for daily use and long life. 100 points. Share comfort and riding position. Comfort is one of the biggest reasons people buy this bike. Upright riding position. Soft and comfortable seat. Easy for short and tall riders. In city traffic or long daily rides, this bike feels relaxed and stress-free. Thumb up. Gear, engine and performance. Now let's talk about the engine. 100 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine. Smooth and silent performance. Perfect for city riding. Pickup is smooth, not aggressive, but very reliable for daily commuting. Fuel pump mileage, biggest plus point. Mileage is where the Splendor Plus wins crown. Excellent fuel efficiency. Very low fuel consumption. Perfect for office and daily users. This is one of the best mileage bikes in its segment. Fire. Ride quality and handling. Lightweight bike, easy to control. Suspension works well on bad roads. Good balance even for new riders. Traffic, narrow roads, U-turns. Everything feels easy on this bike. Heavy check mark. Stop sign, brakes and safety. Front drum brake. Rear drum brake. Braking is simple and predictable. It's designed for safe, everyday riding. Thinking face, final verdict. If you want heavy check mark, best mileage. Heavy check mark, low maintenance. Heavy check mark, reliable engine. Heavy check mark, daily use bike. Then Hero Splendor Plus is still a smart choice. 100 points. It's not a racing bike, but it's one of the most dependable motorcycles ever made. Bell outro. If you like this video, thumbs up, like it. Loudspeaker, subscribe to SG Riders. Bell, press the bell icon. Comment below. Do you still trust the Hero Splendor Plus? Smiling face with sunglasses. Till then, ride safe.